this video I'm going to show you how to prevent your Mac from sleeping. The reason why you want to do this is mainly because of one reason actually, that you need to do something and you need to do it fast. But it's not actually you doing it, you let the computer do something in the background and you want it to not stop doing it. By that, you need to prevent it from going to sleep. So today I'm going to show you a little neat piece of software that prevent your Mac from falling asleep without any messy configuration in the settings. You do it it does it very automatically. You turn on the program and it just works. Your Mac will not sleep unless you want it to. While you are doing, I don't know what, drinking your cup of coffee, your computer is still downloading your favorite pirated movie. I'm just kidding. Your computer is still uploading your next tutorial on YouTube. This is my use case, of course, but never mind. I won't mention the first example again. You didn't hear it from me. Let's begin. This program that I'm going to use is called Keeping You Awake. So let's open your browser and start searching Keeping You Awake. One word is enough, and you want to go to the website keepingyouawake.app. Actually, it's my first time seeing this suffix of URL, but whatever. So you're going to this website. There is a nice picture. I like this background. You can go to the source code because it's an open source program. You will be redirected to GitHub and you can download it from here. Let's click download. It will download for you a zip file. And as you can see, it downloads. Let's go super duper quick over the features. Prevents your Mac from going to sleep with one click. Predefined activation durations. Can disable itself when the battery level is low. Supports Retina display and dark mode. Why this should be a thing, I don't know. Supports macOS Big Sur and all the versions since macOS Sierra. Translated into various languages by the community. It doesn't matter. I already installed the program, I checked it, I work with it for about 2 months, so I know it's stable and it works great. So I won't install it again, but it's very easy. You unzip the file and drag the DMG, I guess you can call it, to the application folder on your Finder. Let's open the software. So I'm right here on my Launchpad and I put my program here. Here is it, Keeping You Awake. Now a new icon of a cup of tea or cup of coffee, I don't know, is added to your bar. And now what you want to do is click to prevent sleep, right click to show menu. Very easy. If I click on it now, you can see the icon is now turned on and my Mac will not go into sleep no matter what. The screen will stay on and you will do whatever you need. Actually, I will say that you will do whatever you need, but in reality it's your computer doing whatever you want it to do. And that's it. No falling asleep again, which by the way, it can cause really big troubles. For example, I give you my second example is that when I upload a video to YouTube, my computer maybe will start to fall asleep, and then it's a huge problem because all the process will be stopped or crashed or whatever. I had very cases when my upload was a complete failure because my PC wanted to sleep. It never occurred to me on a Mac, actually, but never mind, it's a good program. And it's also nice, so you don't have to be stressed by awakening your computer and going through your room to see if the screen is on. You can always just pass by your room and see that your screen is on, and you can see the progress bar getting bigger. Okay, let's go over the settings. I can quit from the browser. I don't care for it anymore. And here I have activate for duration, preferences, and quit. So yeah, you can quit with this. Let's go over preferences quickly. In general, you have started login. I don't recommend to turn it on because eventually it will slow down your Mac, so it's pointless. If you want to do it, just turn the program manually. Activate on launch, same thing, I won't recommend you. Immediately it starts preventing sleep when launched. It means that when you open the program, it will immediately stop the computer from sleeping, already activate the program. I don't recommend it because you will see later that you can choose a specific duration, activation duration for it to work. So let's go over activation duration. As you can see, the default is indefinitely, and you can also have 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15, 30 hour, etc. I added this option because this is approximately the amount of time it takes my internet connection to upload the videos for YouTube. So I use this one mostly, but you can use whatever you want. This is a thing I added. You can add more by clicking here on the plus button, and you specify your amount of hours, minutes, and seconds. And you can also reset to the default activation. Advanced, nothing interesting I think to see here. You can reset everything to default. It's good for laptops. If you have a laptop, it will save your battery life more. And this is also quite essential setting. I always turn it off because I like it when my monitor is on, but if you're on a laptop, you may want to save your battery life more than seeing the screen on, but the computer will still work. So if you want to click on this, it means that your display will go off, but the machine will not stop. Updates, nothing interesting to see here. You can check for updates and you're up to date. Hooray! About is about, as you can see. By the way, this is also interesting. The program is translated to French, Korean, Spanish, Dutch, Turkish, Danish, Chinese, traditional Chinese, Polish, Portuguese, Russian, Ukrainian, and that's it. Okay guys, so this is the end of the video. Pretty quick, pretty nice tutorial. It's not something very complex, but something that I actually needed to get things done. So I searched it on the web to see if there is something. I saw an article, and now I publish a tutorial on video about it. Why not? Next week, maybe next day, whatever it will be for you, I will upload a new, long, interesting video about something else. Okay guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you liked it, please like the video, subscribe to my channel, ring the bell, whatever it means for you. Maybe you want to ring the bell on a cow, maybe you want to ring the bell on your phone, maybe you want to ring my truly bell of the YouTube channel. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.